Hello, this is Alphabet. Question number 1. How JustBrowse Tool app use sensitive or restricted scopes that requested? Currently, scopes using in this app is auth drive, auth script.container.ui, auth spreadsheet, auth script.external request, auth script.script tab. The app is not using form, document, and Gmail anymore. Drive is mainly used by CSV import. So this app imported a CSV originally from Shopify, import CSV into the spreadsheet, and let user manage the data. Here the button, and bring the file picker. Now you just select a local file. You cannot select the spreadsheet. You cannot select from other drive file. Select a file from your device and select the sample CSV for now. It's uploading. Here, import sheet imported from CSV file will be listed here after import. So now is chance to edit a bit if you want, and then if you like it, you can upload the product data to database. Click here. 10 cards are imported. The imported file is converted into our own special form. It will be pushed and created here in the Firebase. My app will use auth script.script app to get OAuth token and create a spreadsheet edit trigger for picking up file, user's CSV from user's local storage. My app also use auth script.container.ui to show alert screens, to create the add-on menu on user's add-on menu when it is installed, to show a model dialog, for example, help screen, welcome to show JustBrowse Tool for Google Sheet, or to edit the user's content, JustBrowse Edit Group, to show file picker as well. For loading a database from Firebase, you can select the load all. It start UrlFetchApp function to getting the JSON file here, loading, and fill the sheet automatically. Question number 2, how the project JustBrowse Tool will access the data. JustBrowse Tool for Google Sheet is a product management tool for JustBrowse e-commerce mobile app service. Mainly, the data is coming from existing Shopify data. User need to export CSV from Shopify dashboard and import it on user's sheet. Of course, user may create a data from scratch. A second, user edit, change, organize data from Google Sheet and upload it on the database. The database is using Firebase, so uploaded database will be downloaded to JustBrowse mobile app, which is assigned to the user. Question number 3, how the tool create and automate task workflows, what is the direction of user data flow in. JustBrowse Tool is a product management tool. It is not generating groups or deck automatically. Groups and deck structure need user selection. The tool helps user to construct a special data structure in an easy way. Let me show more detail. For step 1, from user data sources such as Shopify, or you can create them directly from JustBrowse Tool, or downloading data from a previous database. It can be on a user's spreadsheet. user can manage data. For step 3, user can edit out product data. For step 4, build a group from selected products. Step 5, build a deck. Deck has multiple groups. Step 6, you can preview from web app. Web app is running on a separate server. It is connecting with Firebase. Step 7, publish to Firebase database. Once it's published, actually it can be downloaded on mobile app. Step 8, working from mobile app.